Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon and we're going to do a quick unboxing of my brand new Friday the 13th collection. And we're going to take a little look-see around it. You can see that there's all the movies. So you get every single Friday the 13th movie on Blu-ray that you can get. And here's the back of it. Take a little look. See, you get, if you want to like pause the video, you can read all this stuff and it'll tell you exactly what you get. All 12 films on 16 discs, and this is made by Shout Factory. This is probably the best box set that you could actually get right now, and if I'm not mistaken, you can get this on Amazon for about $100, which is really good for all 12 films on Blu-ray. Take a little look around the box here, which is really cool. I like the art that they came up with. You know, you see Scream Factory, Blu-ray, Friday the 13th Collection Deluxe Edition. We got some more cool looking box art there. And I believe, okay, the bottom, I don't know if that would just, yeah, kind of just tell you more information about it, you know, and the ratings of all the films. And oh, there's the top. Can't leave out the top, showing the infamous hockey mask. But that is the box. So here, bear with me, and I'm gonna get us into the box and we'll take a look at each individual movie. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. All right, let's go ahead and tear this plastic off and get into this thing. All right, so let's we'll just go ahead and dump them out like this, and we'll take a look at each individual movie. Looks like we get some kind of cool little book too, or whatever. Maybe we'll take a little look-see at that. Like I said, you know, if you wanna, I don't know. Looks like it's got some cool little art from the movies and information. Behind the scenes stuff, probably. Yep. Just kind of go for each page and let you guys get a little look. If you're quick enough, I guess you could pause the video and read all the pages, if that's your fancy. I was trying to be somewhat thorough here, you know, and just kind of give you an idea of everything. Oh, definitely pretty cool. More information. Yeah, more stuff. Yeah, this is a cool little booklet. I'm gonna be enjoying reading it later on. And imagine that's it. All right, so now we're going to look at the movies. Let's start with, this is Friday the 13th collection bonus material. So they give you a little bonus disc with cool stuff on it. Yeah. And this one is the Friday the 13th remake that they did in 2009. And it turns out it's the actual killer cut version, which is awesome. You know, and there's some special features. And then we get Freddy versus Jason. Well, I guess I didn't really show the backs of them, did I? Okay, let me do that to all of them. This will be a very thorough unboxing, but like I said, I wanted to show you everything that you get. So, all right, we're up to Jason X now. Alright, and we got Jason Goes to Hell. And if I'm not mistaken, this does include both versions, the unrated and the R-rated version. Yep. So, if anybody didn't know, there's two different versions of Jason Goes to Hell, The Final Friday. And I do recommend the unrated version. It has some extra stuff in it and a lot more gore. And the kills are just a lot better in the unrated version versus the R-rated version. And got good old Friday the 13th Part 8, Jason Takes Manhattan. This is one of my favorites right here. Friday the 13th Part 7, The New Blood. In my opinion, the coolest looking Jason and the best actor to ever play him, Kane Hodder. And this is definitely a fan favorite of mine. Probably also another one of my favorites. Friday the 13th Part 6, Jason Lives. Alright, now what we got here? Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning. Now this one, you know, for people that hasn't seen it, which surely you have by now, but this is the copycat killer. It's not really Jason in this one, but it is still a good movie in the series. And this is one of the best ones right here in the series as well. Friday the 13th, final chapter. This is the one where Jason Voorhees officially dies as a human anyways. This is where his human life ends. And then onward, he becomes an unstoppable ghoul. But this one right here, the fourth one, the final chapter, this is where his human life ends, where he officially dies for the first time. Now we're up to Friday the 13th Part 3, and I guess this one has the 3D version, I guess, maybe, on it. It probably does, I would assume. Yeah, fresh cuts, 3D terror. You know, a new 3D transfer. This is the where they were trying their luck at 3D, and it didn't look the greatest back then. But this is also an iconic movie because this is the very first one where he gets his iconic hockey mask. Alright, and we're on to Friday the 13th Part 2. This is Sackhead Jason, or Baghead Jason, whatever you want to say. And now we're up to the original Friday the 13th, which is still good. It's the one that started it all. And this was obviously Jason's mother was the original killer. And it looks like we get two different versions here. We get the, what is that? Something kill version? Am I having a problem read here? Oh, the theatrical version, yeah. I'm looking through my camera as well, and I shouldn't be. Yeah, you get the theatrical version, and you also get the uncut version, which would have more, you know, maybe more, probably more scenes added to it, more blood, more gore, that kind of thing. So that is cool that they include that, the OG original. And we'll take a look at the back. And that'll do it, everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll show you this book one more time to get us out of this video. Really cool. I like that artwork. Yeah, I like the color. But that'll do it for the Friday the 13th Blu-ray unboxing. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, feel free to like the video, comment below, tell me what your favorite Friday the 13th film is of all time. And I will see you guys in my next unboxing video or my next gaming video, whatever video happens to be on my channel. So take it easy and peace. I'm out of here.